Sum number 9. A recurring deposit account of rupees 1200 per month has a maturity value of rupees 12,440. If the rate of interest is 8% and the interest is calculated at the end of every month, find the time in months of this recurring deposit account. Solution: installment per month P rupees 1200. Number of month, let number of month be n. Rate of interest are 8% per annum. Simple interest, write the formula P into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into r upon 100. Substitute the value 1200 into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into 8 upon 100. That is equals to rupees 4n into n plus 1. Maturity value is equals to P into n plus interest. That is equals to 1200 into n plus 4n into n plus 1. Maturity value is 12,440 equals to 1200n plus 4n square plus 4n. 1200 plus 4, 1204n. Therefore, 4n square plus 1204n minus 12,440 equals to 0. All the numbers are divisible by 4. Therefore, n square plus 301n minus 3110 is equals to 0. When you solve this quadratic equation, n plus 311 into n minus 10 equals to 0. N equals to minus 311 or n equal to 10. Therefore, positive number n equal to 10 we will take. Therefore, number of months is equals to 10. Sum number 10. Mr. Gulati has a recurring deposit account of rupees 300 per month. If the rate of interest is 12% and the maturity value of this account is rupees 8,100, find the time in years of this recurring deposit account. Solution: installment per month P rupees 300. Number of months B n. Rate of interest 12%. Write the formula. Simple interest is equals to P into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into r by 100. Substitute the value. SI is equals to 300 into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into 12 by 100. That is equals to rupees 1.5 n into n plus 1. Maturity value is equals to P into n plus interest. P is 300 n into n plus 1.5 n into n plus 1. This is open the bracket 1.5 n square plus 1.5 n. 1.5 n plus 300 n is 301.5 n. Therefore, this we will shift to the right hand side minus 8,100. 1.5 n square plus 301.5 n minus 8,100 equals to 0. Divide by 1.5 on all the sides, we get n square plus 201n minus 5400 equals to 0. This quadratic equation you have to solve. We will get n plus 225 into n minus 24 is equals to 0. N is equals to minus 225 or n equals to 24 months. Minus value we will not take, positive value we will take. Therefore n is equals to 24 months. We want time in years, therefore time is equals to 2 years. Sum number 11. Mr. Gupta opened a recurring deposit account in a bank. He deposited rupees 2500 per month for 2 years. At the time of maturity, he got rupees 67,500. Find first the total interest earned by Mr. Gupta. Second, the rate of interest per annum. Maturity value is equals to 67,500. Money deposited is equals to 2,500 for 24 months, that is equals to rupees 60,000. Therefore interest earned is equals to maturity value minus total amount deposited, that is equals to 67,500 minus 60,000 equals to rupees 7,500. Second part, we have to find rate of interest per annum. Let rate of interest is equals to R% per annum. Installment paid per month rupees 2,500. Number of months n 24. Interest, write the formula and substitute. Simple interest is equals to 2,500 into 24 into 25 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Simple interest is 7,500. This is equals to 625 R. R is equals to 7,500 upon 625, that is 12%.